Hi, so in this video I'm going to talk about black plastic and how best to use it to get rid of your weeds on your allotment. Now, I got my allotment during the first lockdown. It was probably around May, June time, and the weeds were 4 foot high, absolutely horrendous, to the point where you couldn't even get a spade in to dig it over if you wanted to. It was just so thick and dense. Now when it comes to buying it, there's basically the thicker the better, so look for the gauge. Now you can get gauges at around sort of the 300, 400 mark, but they're really thin and not cut out for weeds. So you want to be around about the 1,000 mark. So mine was about 1,000. I think you can go higher, but 1,000's ample. So yeah, so basically the first thing you want to do though is strim it all down. Now your average garden strimmer is not going to be suitable really, so I hired one of the council industrial strimmers. Specifically you want one with a metal blade that'll rip through everything. So I did this whole allotment in an afternoon, and it worked a treat. It was fantastic. So strim it down as far as you can, and then all you do is pop the plastic on over the top. Obviously you need to cut it out and measure it and things. Pop it over the top, and I think I left mine on for about 6 months because I got the allotment in the summer and it's worked a treat. So in a minute I'll show you just how nice it is when you dig over the soil. It's basically got rid of everything.
So this is what it looked like as soon as I'd taken the plastic off. Absolutely nothing else done to it. And this is what it's like to dig over. Barely anything in there. So nice to dig so quick. And obviously you get the odd root and things, and the odd one that you have to really dig out, but on the whole it's just so much easier and well worth the time, all the patience and the money spent.
So yeah, there we are, short and sweet. Hopefully you can see just how well the plastic's done and how easier it's made digging over the soil. But as I say, higher number the better when it comes to the thickness. Stretch your budget as much as you can, because it really will pay off. And I've actually sold a couple of pieces of my plastic, so I've got part of my money back anyway, so it's win-win really. Hopefully I've managed to pick up just how nice and crumbly the soil is from that, and just how useful the plastic's been. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm basically going to be uploading as much as I can from my allotment, just to bring you guys on the journey, and hopefully we'll learn a few things along the way. Alright, thanks for watching.